Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Grammarly, improve your writing online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type grammarly.com and press enter. Wait for the Grammarly homepage to fully load. Look for the login button at the top right of the page. Click the login button to open the sign-in page. Choose how you want to log in: email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. If you want to use email, click Continue with Email. In the email field, type the email address you used when creating your Grammarly account. Click Continue to move to the password step. In the password field, type your Grammarly password carefully. Click Login to access your account. If you want to use Google, click Continue with Google. Select your Google account from the list, or click Use another account to add one. Enter your Google email and password if you are asked. Approve any permission prompts to finish signing in. If you want to use Apple, click Continue with Apple. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. Complete the two-factor verification code if Apple asks for it. If you want to use Facebook, click Continue with Facebook. Enter your Facebook login details if you are not already signed in. Tap Continue to confirm and return to Grammarly. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and submit the request to receive a reset link. Open your email, click the reset link, and create a new password. After logging in, you should see the Grammarly dashboard on the screen. Click New to start checking a document, or click Upload to add a file. To use Grammarly in your browser, open the Apps page and choose Grammarly for Chrome or your preferred browser. Confirm you are logged in by checking your profile icon or account menu in the top corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.